Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified, and today I'm going to show you how to actually recover your damaged PDF files. Now let's say you can't open the PDF file right here because it is damaged and the files are been broken. Now it's very easy to fix this. I'm going to show you how. Simply open up your browser and head down to I Love PDF. Now, this will take you to the I Love PDF website where there are loads of PDF tools. Now, from here we scroll down, and as you can see, here is an option, Repair PDF. Repair a damaged PDF and recover the data from a corrupt PDF. Now, this will fix the PDF for you. So simply select the broken PDF, drag it inside, and as you can see right here, this program will repair your PDF, and simply press Repair PDF, download the file, and here you have your repaired PDF file. Now it can happen sometimes that there are pages missing. Simply double check it, but that's it. If this video has helped you, please leave a like and subscribe. It helps me out a lot. If you still get any questions, leave them in the comments down below. I'll try my very best to help you, but most importantly, thank you for watching.